thousands of people are building YouTube channels without showing their face. Some creators use AI tools, some hire teams, and some channels generate thousands of dollars every month using simple, faceless videos. But what exactly is YouTube automation, and how does it actually work? In this beginner guide, I'll explain everything in the simplest way possible. First of all, YouTube automation does not mean automatic money. That's the biggest misconception beginners believe. YouTube automation simply means creating YouTube content using systems, AI tools, freelancers, or a team, instead of doing everything completely alone. How normal YouTubers work. Normally, a YouTuber has to record videos, write scripts, edit content, design thumbnails, upload videos, everything alone. But in YouTube automation, different tasks can be handled by different tools or people. Types of YouTube automation. There are mainly two types of YouTube automation. Type 1, team-based automation. This is where creators hire editors, thumbnail designers, scriptwriters, VO artists, basically building a small content business. Type 2, AI-based automation. This is what most beginners use today. People use ChatGPT for scripts, AI voice tools, AI video generators, AI thumbnails to create videos faster and more efficiently. Who can start? The good news is you don't need expensive cameras, a studio, or even show your face. Students, beginners, freelancers, or even part-time creators can start learning this skill. But let me be honest, YouTube automation is not easy money. Most beginners fail because they copy content, use low-quality AI voices, choose bad niches, or quit too early. The creators who actually succeed focus on storytelling, good editing, strong thumbnails, and audience retention. And in the next video, I'll explain how faceless YouTube channels actually make money and which niches beginners should avoid in 2026. So stay tuned for part 2.